Welcome to the Online and Accelerated Learning Readiness course. You will see the basic layout of the home page with a content browser in the left-hand side, a news section on the right-hand side, and a learning terms section on the right-hand side. The three-column layout is the typical layout of most online courses at Benedictine. Click on the Content Browser heading to view the course contents. You will see a table of contents on the left-hand side with the modules listed. And when you click on one of the modules, the contents of that module will be displayed in the center of the screen. Click on an item to view its contents. You will see I'm clicking Module 1, Introduction to Online and Accelerated Learning in the breadcrumbs trail to go back to the table of contents. In Module 3, Typical Assignments, you'll be able to practice posting to an online discussion forum, you'll click Start a New Thread when you're ready. Also in Module 3, you'll be able to practice submitting an item to Dropbox. Click on Upload when you're ready to do that. To return to the course homepage, click on the title of the course at the top of the page. Thanks and good luck.